Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ange, and in today's video, gusto ko lang ipakita and i-share sa inyo kung paano ko nagawa itong makeup look na to. Kasi last week, pinost ko itong makeup look na to sa aking social accounts, sa Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and maraming nagandahan sa makeup look na to. Although, hindi naman ako ganun ka-expert when it comes to makeup, pero sabi nga nila, makeup is art din, diba? So, experimenting lang kung ano yung bagay, ano yung tingin mong confident ka, ano yung tingin mong maganda ka, nagagandahan ka sa sarili mo. So, feeling ko naman nagandahan din ako sa sarili ko, and feeling ko, na-feel ko din itong makeup look na to. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko nagawa itong makeup look na to, especially my eyes, then please keep on watching.
Through the smoke in the mirror, crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. can't see the issue. Yeah, believe me, I need to keep myself in line, but I don't need to kiss you. Hey, we can make it tonight, baby, that's just fine. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down. You look good, you know it, I can tell you're soaking up all of it now. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. This feeling when you give me those eyes, yeah, baby, you control me, and I need to find your loving, baby. Baby, you on my mind, and I'll give you my body. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down, keep it down. You look good, you know it, I can tell you're soaking up all of it now. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. Nobody, yeah, we won't tell nobody. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody.
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last, keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started, you left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts, keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit.
So, that's it guys. Tapos na yung makeup look and ito yung kinalabasan niya. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to hit like and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. So, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you on my next one. Bye!